You need this help if you are struggling. So there are people who are succeeding and there are people who are failing. What is that significant gap that creates that success and failure, right? There are three important types of help that is required and necessary to become independent. Either you gaining the help or you are giving the help. Both are very, very important in this journey. Let's understand what is these three types of help and how is it going to impact in your life, because this is very, very necessary, because most of the people think this is very simple what I'm going to share, but common sense is not the common practice, because most of the people either forget one or the other type of help. They either think what is that I can take help, or they are only going to think what is that help I can give. But you need a right balance of both in order to become independent. So let's understand that what is the first type of help that is required. The first type of help is helping yourself, which means that helping yourself in a way to grow beyond, because most of the time they don't invest in themselves or don't help themselves. What do I mean by that? Let me give an analogy. Let's consider you are traveling in an aeroplane and suddenly pressure builds up into the cabin, and pilot will announce right now there is a shortage of oxygen in the cabin. So now oxygen mask will drop down. So now you see there are a lot of people who are actually in an hesitant mode and fearful mode and all of that. Now you see, hey, I want to help these people, that is giving out the help, right? But now think about it. Are you going to just go and help people out, or are you going to take oxygen mask for yourself first and then start serving others? Yes, I heard it right, which is you're going to help yourself out, because most of the people, they don't do that and they go and help. If you have a good heart, it's very, very important that you become independent no matter what, so that you can help as many people as possible. Do you agree with that? Because most of us are like, so having the great heart to serve and support many people, but it is as much as important to make an impact and also to do it profitably, right? So which means that helping yourself first comes with a philosophy that investing in your education, investing in your learning, investing in your growth, and finding out how is that you can take your growth and results to the next level, right? So making sure that you take care of yourself, you respect yourself, you demand the best out of yourself, right? So the second thing is that, so you asking and receiving the help. Most of us, what we do is that we get fearful to ask for help, right? Then things are not going to happen. But some of them will become like more egocentric and think, I know everything, why should I go and ask people, right? But one thing you have to understand in life, the success keys of your life is lying with someone else's hand, which means that you always need to be humble and ready to ask and receive, because that itself is being shared in Bible as well, right? Ask and you shall receive. If you don't ask, the help is not going to come your way. It could be taking help from your parents. Many people think that taking help from parents is a guilty feeling. No, you need that help. Taking help from the government or taking help from your college, taking help from many people. You cannot succeed on your own. Don't think that you are just independent on your own. No, we are interdependent human beings, which means that we need help from each other. Only then you can become independent. So making that clear understanding that you are going to receive a lot of help from the network that what you are building as well. And the third type of help, which is most important among these three, is also about you helping as many people as possible, right? So which means that, so you giving that helping hand, and that is possible when you have helped yourself in terms of growing yourself and taken the right step of help and received help from the mentors, coaches, support systems, and various other organizations for you to take your journey to the next level, and also you helping as many people as you can. That is a very, very important process of this journey, so that it's a way of you giving back to the society, right? So helping yourself is very, very important. Then asking and receiving help is very important, and then you helping as many people as you can. These are the very important three types of help that one must need to have in order to become independent. I hope that you have taken a lot of notes and learned something from this particular video. Make sure that you share this in the comment box. I would be very happy to read that. And also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Look forward to see you in the upcoming videos.